Hey everyone! For our Hack SC hackathon project, we have made an application on Lovable called CityKit. CityKit is the one-stop shop for all city planners and policymakers to help improve city planning, specifically for reducing vehicular congestion on roads through planning metro lines. For now, our first feature that we released is planning metro lines through a fully interactive and customizable way. Policymakers can start on our CityKit website by first creating an account and having their dashboard ready where they can start editing the existing lines in the city and seeing how that affects one, the sustainability score, which is calculated by the carbon emissions through vehicular traffic, which could be saved through changing those routes, or two, the accessibility index, which is calculated by how accessible it is, calculated by the traffic time for all people within a 1 mile radius of the metro. So let's get started with this. If I am a policymaker and I want to edit this metro line, I'm going to click right here. And as you can see, I'm given a blank map. For now, this is the city of Los Angeles, and this is a blank, very simple UI map. So let's say I want to edit line A. As you can see, I have different color options so I can edit different lines. I can even customize the stations that they land at and the stations they stop at. And as a result, I'll even get a score, a sustainability score, and an accessibility score as a result of those changes. And I can compare that with the initial scores before the changes. And this can help policymakers understand how different metro line placement and how the different stops and expanding them even can greatly reduce traffic congestion on roads. But CityKit isn't just about metro, right? We want to make this an overall tool that can help city planners and politicians plan cities in general, and not just for public transportation. We will be launching features that will even help them understand what is the optimal traffic light placement, maybe even road construction placement, even optimal building reconstruction. What about construction cost and budgeting? All the different aspects to a different for planning a city. These are all features that we will soon be launching on our platform called CityKit. For now, it is only available in Los Angeles, and it is for Los Angeles policymakers. However, we will eventually be expanding this to other cities around America and even the world to help politicians everywhere and city planners everywhere. And eventually, we'll even be expanding the available map to even lands that don't yet have cities built. And this will help people and investors potentially find great land to build a very optimal and sustainable city for the future. Thank you.